Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool. So this is a really easy way to take screenshots. So what you're going to do is start out by going into the search down here on the bottom left, and you're just going to start typing snipping tool. Now all you have to type is snip and it automatically pops up. So go ahead and click it. You'll know you've done it right because this box pops up, but also down here on your taskbar, you've got the little icon. Make your life in the future a heck of a lot easier. Go ahead and right click on that icon right now, click Pin to Taskbar, and now even when you close this box up here, it's down here waiting for you. So now you never have to type it in again because you've already got it here ready for you. So go ahead and open it back up and then open up the web page that you want to take a picture of. I just finished my quiz, 100%. Good job, nicely done, Hawkins. I'm going to open my snipping tool and I'm going to click New. And I'm going to click and drag, and that's all I need. Okay? Now you can save it to your desktop, or the easier way is just go to your Google document that is already open, right click, and click Paste. Now, if your mouse trackpad isn't working, you can on your keyboard hit Control V, and then that will paste it too. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you use this in your other classes. Have a good day, friends.